Hello, my name is Gnana Raju. I am representing Herbalife Nutrition as independent associate working for last 17 years. Today, my topic for the today is clarifying your doubt on frequently asked question, do I bounce back? Usually many people ask us, whether these products will come back, you bounce back after using for some period. And so they say somebody bounced back and they became to double the size after using Herbalife. Is it true or no? So let me clarify this point. If you understand our work, hard work, our ancestors used to do a lot of hard work before, and they used to eat normal food. But our people currently, they sit most of the time. They enjoy the sedentary lifestyle, but they continue to eat the same food. How is it possible? So the food what they ate, our ancestors ate, is not actually digestible to us. It's becoming more calories. So our lifestyle totally changed. Sedentary lifestyle is what we usually enjoy. Sitting most of the time, no sweat will come, and we don't burn many calories, and sitting at one place only we keep on eating, bulging. So you have to take this permanently. If you understand this graph, there's a time period of months and the weight in kgs. So certain period, like say for example, you require to lose about 20 kilos, so 20 weeks for losing weight, then slowly you have to maintain for some period. So that way means you have to use for some more period for maintenance. Afterwards, up to you, you can maintain by yourself, or you can take our help. Basically, Herbalife will not put you bounce you back. Means our products, they help you to lose weight. They also help you to maintain weight. They also help you to gain weight, but they don't make you to bounce back. People think that by Herbalife taking, I will not bounce. I will bounce back. No, it's not correct. Example, take me. So I lost this amazing 12.5 kilos in 2.5 months, and I am maintaining like that way for last 17 years. So my wife also, she is now 42 years. I'm 50 years. We both lost weight and maintaining like this way. Day by day, we are looking quite younger and healthy. So that means you have to maintain. It's our duty, not the Herbalife duty. But if you wanted to, if you cannot maintain, you are such a busy man, then ask Herbalife company for maintenance. So we have the Herbalife maintenance program also. We take the photographs, we keep tracking, scanning, taking measurements weekly once, and this is how we take the pictures, and we keep track of everything, measurements. And what we do in our club is basically, if you see I was there in the blue t-shirt, you can see me there. I was there in the green t-shirt. So we are making helping our clients to do some workouts, and we also teach our clients to what kind of diet to be taken, how to eat in a healthy food, and we also do follow up and do a lot of customer care. And it's not just product 20%, 80% is our service. We counsel first. We try to personalize them, products according to your budget, according to your convenience, how much busy you are, how many hours can you sleep, how is your stress levels, how much water you take, what kind of oil you take. Everything matters here. So if you just take product and stop it, you usually end up in bounce back. It's not just like that way. We do proper servicing, counseling. We try to fix the problem. We try to educate you. We conduct a lot of classes. Thereby you will come to realization. Thereby it will help you to maintain it forever. We also give you tasty samples also, so that you don't drink with a lot of vengeance, or with a lot of gussa, anger. So will be having tasty shakes and energy drinks. And we also celebrate your success, and by keeping on the recognition walls, we recognize and we share your results in front of everyone. That also gives them credentials. People also see and believe. And this is what we do, is basically like a wellness center or a club. So this socialization or helping community support will make you to lose weight, but also to maintain weight forever, to gain weight and maintain weight forever. So alongside, we also give the product. We retail and sell the product, but it's not the just only product. I hope you got my point. We give rewards to by introducing people by online offline meetings, so that you also make some money. You also get the product at a lower price, sometimes free of cost. You make extra additional income also. So look at us. Ultimately, our goal is to lose weight and maintain it forever. This is what you can do. I am 50 years, as I said. I know by maintaining, so that I don't require to attract other complicated diseases like diabetes and BP and cholesterol, other kind of problems. So my goal is to lose weight and maintain it forever. I've been doing for last 17 years, and I'm helping a lot of clients. It is now science made it possible. We can lose weight and maintain weight forever. with Herbalife, right? So if you cannot do it, you can also stop and you can maintain by yourself, but you have to do something, right? So this is about me. I'm a gazetted government officer before, worked in government of Andhra Pradesh as a group 1 officer and as a district registrar, and I'm a nutritionist and fitness consultant and personal wellness coach. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports and nutrition consultant, certified exercise and specialist, and these are the Instagram, Facebook, and lot of my YouTube channels, website, email, everything links are there. So if you want to meet us, you can call us, you can talk to us, but first you talk to the person who has given this video, so who has forwarded this video, and if no one is there, it is us, then talk to us. We are ready to happy to help you. So I hope you got my points. So I hope I given you enough clarity on how to maintain, and people have the misconception that after losing weight I will bounce back. No, no, no. You can lose weight, you can maintain also, weight properly with a proper coach and proper program through Herbalife Nutrition. So wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.